Welcome, here I've got XIOAMI Mi 8 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location text at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. When we pick this, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick the settings button to open the advanced camera settings. Here at the first page we have save location info option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. And here also the important thing is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example with the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters, location and the internet. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's move back to the camera to take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. So this is how the photo looks like. Now let's tap to the center to get access to gallery options and move to the right corner at the bottom. When we pick here, we have to tap to the details. Now at the last position we can check our location with the full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. Also when we tap here we get quick access to Google Map and we can check our location at map. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.